What's up guys, I'm here to show you how to mod Grand Theft Auto 4 for the PC on version 1.0.7.0. Thankfully Spark 4 has already been updated, and so has the ASI loader, which I'll talk about in another video. To begin with, let's just start by making a new folder, and you can just name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Spark 4, and the type of version GTA is running on. Okay, I'll post a download link for Spark 4 in the video description. This also works for episodes of Liberty City because in the folder, in the zip folder, there's also another Spark 4 for the episodes of Liberty City for Ballad of Gay Tony and Lost and Damned, and that's pretty much a separate Spark 4 that you can use if you have that. But if you just have the GTA main story, then you're just gonna need these files here. So what you're going to do is just copy all these files and then just drag it onto the folder you just made. Okay, once you have that, just double click on that and go to Spark 4, the application. What you're going to do is right click, go to Properties, Compatibility, and then checkmark Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and press OK, and then you can double click on Spark 4. Once you got that, you're going to click Open, and then from here go to Computer, your local disk, Program Files, go all the way down to Rockstar Games, go to Grand Theft Auto 4, go to PC, Models, CDI Images, and then from here there's like 6 sections. Weapons is basically weapons, vehicles, every vehicle in the game, radar, the buildings, the radar, the map. Player pet is pretty much yourself. Character for Nico. Pet props is I think stuff. Component pets are just pedestrians. So the mod I'm going to be using is focused on weapons. So we're going to click on weapons, and as you can see we got a whole list of files. Now all these files are pretty much objects and weapons in the game. Now as you notice, there's 2 different types of files for each category. So as you can see here, Apple. I just clicked on the model folder, and as you can see here, this is the model that will appear on the game when you play it. Also, there's the texture, which is pretty much the skin of the mod. So that's just a basic rundown of what you'll find in Spark 4 when you're using this application. Here's another example, the cell phone model, and so on and so forth. So I already got a mod here. It's Unfold G36C, a weapon from Call of Duty 4, if you remember, or if you play that game. And so where I get my mods is at GTAInside.com. This is a great website. It has like a lot of mods. I think most of the mods are here rather than the other websites. And so there's a section with GTA 4 on the left side, as you can see here. Right now I'm going into the mod where I downloaded it. I'm pretty much going to show you how to download your mods if you're interested in doing this. So every weapon in here is basically modded, different models, or just have different skins. So right now here's the G36C mod that I downloaded. It's 9 models in just one zip folder. So what you do is just click on the download link. You can either wait or just click on the URL and it should start downloading right there. It's usually a raw file, so I already have it done, so I'm going to hit cancel. You can go back to the mod. Alright, usually when you open up the mod there's 2 files. Sometimes there's a picture in here just to pretty much give you what it looks like in the game. So right now I have the G36 picture of what's going to look like, and then you're going to have 2 files, the WTD and the WDR. These files are pretty much the texture and the model. Okay, so as you can see here, like I said, these are just texture and models, and as you can see they have the M4 name on each file. So what you have to do is pretty much look for the file in Spark 4 for these 2 files. So we're gonna go back to Spark 4 right now, and as you can see there, I already spotted the W_M4. Before you do that, I want you to make a backups folder. This is where your original files are going to be at, because Rockstar Social Club might like prevent you from playing multiplayer if you have a certain mod inside of it, and just to keep in case if you don't like the mod. So right now I just spotted the two files. So what you're gonna do is just export the file onto your backups folder and just press OK. Then you just press OK for all selected files exported. Then you click import, which you're gonna import your downloaded mod. And if you do it right, then you should see that the files are highlighted. It's highlighted blue, and you can just go check the model, see if it works. And as you can see here, the G36 mod did work. You can also check the texture, but I'm not. And what you do from here is you can just save, but the recommended thing to do is click rebuild and then press OK. You can always check again just to be sure, and then click save. And that's pretty much the basics to importing your textures and models mod. Now I'm going to go on to a more complicated subject, which is audio, which is pretty much an average thing when you're downloading weapons mod. So one of the things that weapons mod comes with is a sound file, and usually this is a sound file just for slow-mo sounds and real-time sounds. So the G36 mod came with one. So what you're going to need to do is use two programs now. You're going to use SparkIV first, and then you're going to use another program called GTA-IVaud, I think. But what you do in SparkIV is click on browse. It may take a while for it to load, but it'll load. Okay, once you got that done, you just scroll down all the way to PC, audio, and SFX. And from here, you're gonna go down to Resident, RPF. And what you're gonna do is just double click on it. Anytime now. Okay. And from here, you're gonna have a whole lot of files called IVAUD. I just call it IVaud. And from here, you're gonna select pretty much the weapons VOD, depending on which mod you downloaded. Right now, to extract the weapons VOD is what you do. And from here, you're gonna have to use the second program that I said right now, is the GTA-IVaud. I'll post a download link in the description. Right there. GTA 4 audio. Wow. Yeah, I guess I got that. Yeah, GTA 4 odd. Wow, I feel stupid. But anyway, you just imported the weapons IV audio. And from here, you get a whole list of audio sounds from in the game for weapons, slow-mo, real-time, and fast-forward. So, as you can hear, some of the mods come with instructions and tell you which sound file you have to replace, and right here it says PCM 172 and 173. This actually took me quite a while, so I had to crop it out, but basically what you're going to have to find is the number on the left column there. So as you can see here, there's 172 and 173. And basically you don't have to export these, considering it's just one file. So you don't need to worry about backing up these two files. So in any case, what you're gonna do is just go to File. Oh no, I'm sorry. Go to Edit, Import WAV. Go all the way down to the bottom and then select the. You might get a warning, but you can just press OK or Yes, and then do the same thing with the other files that tell you what to import or replace. And it should do the same thing. It should be highlighted blue. Once you're done with that, you can just save it, and that's about it. That's pretty much how you replace audio files for weapons and any such for mods in your GTA 4. And now you have to do is import the new modded file. So we're gonna go back into SparkIV and click Browse. Go all the way down to the bottom where PC, Audio SFX, and then go down to Resident. And then from here you can import, but like I said, this is where you have to export. This is the original file, so you just want to export this to your backups folder, just like so. Now you can import your file. Just like that. Once you do that, you can just pretty much save, and that's about it, guys. That's all you need to do in case if your mod comes with an audio file that you need to put in. Now I'm going to show you gameplay footage of the new GTA-36C mod and the MP5 mod that I have on. But if you have any questions, please post it in the comments. I'm sorry I had to put this in another channel, and I'm sorry I didn't really explain it that well. I'm kind of a bit of a hurry, but yeah, if you have any suggestions, any mods you want me to place in the video, then please rate, comment, and subscribe. Send me a message, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Officer 219.
Somebody shoot that bastard for me!